Okay, so my video editor quit. I was using Vegas Movie Studio Platinum 13, and they've decided to stop, so it doesn't work anymore at all. So I have to try to find another editing software. I've looked at a bunch of them for free, and some you pay for. Some you pay for a little complicated. Some that are free are too easy. I like to have, you know, a little control over audio and you know, and that sort of stuff. Fade in, fade out. You know, crossover on the videos. Kind of looking at Vegas Pro, the new one. Multi-camera editing, and now it's just got all kinds of stuff. So you all know that I'm not a real fancy, you know, editor. I don't put a whole bunch of stuff in there, you know, all those real fancy editing things. What do you call them? Well, anyway, transitions. I don't do that. I mean, you know, I just don't. Doesn't make it any more interesting, and sometimes it irritates people. So, just need a good basic editor with timelines, not storyboard. I tried to use storyboard a few years ago, and that's just, I ain't doing that either. So anyway, that's enough of that. So anyway, when I do a video, I can't edit out mistakes. Like the one just for a minute ago when I forgot the word transitions. I would normally edit that out, but so I can't do that right now. Not without cutting, you know, upload that video and start another, you know, continue the video, but it'd be another video, so there's two uploads. You follow me? You know, and 6-7 hours per video to upload. Be a week before I get a 5-minute video up. Because I make so many mistakes, you see. So anyway, I'm feeling pretty good. Little incident, big incident happened a couple of weeks ago. Left me kind of weak, especially in the legs. So, you know, I just been hanging out and resting. Doctor said, just rest. You'll be all right. So, I'm doing that. Sleeping 6, 7, 8 hours a night. Watching a lot of Netflix. You know, just normal day. Every you know, a lazy man day. You know. So what else is going on? I've moved. I'm in Tonto National Forest now. I had to get out of the sit graves. I was there too long. I think I was starting to push my luck a little bit. So I got to stay away from there for 28 days. And down here in the Tonto, I've got, you know, 14 days I could stay. Keep a real clean camp. You know, they don't bother you too much. And I mean, unless you get ridiculous. If you look like you're gonna, you know, be a resident there, you know, they're gonna run you out. So weather has been a little chilly, between 32 to 45 at night. There up on the sit graves, it was pretty windy all the time. The last 2 days here has been 6 or 7 miles per hour. Not too bad, but day after tomorrow, which will be Friday or Saturday, we're going to get 3 days of high winds again. So the tent, some people were worried about the tent being blown over or pulling out stakes. Well, in that 65-mile-an-hour wind a couple of weeks ago up on the sit graves, it did all right. It flopped around a little bit, the sides, you know. But it doesn't pull stakes out. Just make sure that they're in 45-degree angle and pound them all the way in. If you need to, put a big rock on them. I moved the truck there, so it, you know, the truck would be between the wind and the tent. That helped some. So I think I'll be all right here. There's a lot of trees right here. Up where I was before, there just wasn't a lot of trees where I was. You know, it was either wide open or it was really heavy trees. So, but here it's just, yeah, you know, the trees are thick in places, but you know, there's 5 or 6 around the tent. It makes it a little hard for solar, but you know, I'm protected from the wind a little bit, so that'll be good. I don't know, I can't think of it. Well, let's go take a little walk. I'm not going to be able to edit this out, so okay. Something I wanted to show you guys. I'm not going to be able to stabilize anything. I was here about 5 years ago. There was a rainstorm coming in with big thunderheads, and I went out here. I got soaking wet, but I went out here to get a video of it. That was a nice picture of my neck. Sorry about that. Well, I'm not going to be able to get down in there. A little steep. So don't, you know, hang on to your chair so you don't fall over. Yeah, you can't really see anything. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Not that tree. Well, yeah, it's pretty overgrown in there now, so anyway, it's like you're on top of the mountain right here where I am, and there's a valley between 2 mountain ranges, and there's a cleared out area, like there's a big farm or something down there. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful, but those trees right there are dead, and they're full of sticks, and can't really see it. So it was a raven. I haven't seen any animals. Usually, you know, there's squirrels or chipmunks or something around, but I haven't seen any of those. I did see 2 rats across the way over there, so opened the hood. Hopefully they'll not bother my wires. I go out there and check all the time, make sure. My neighbor over there says that she has a device that sets, it's like an alarm that you put under your hood, and if it detects movement, the light comes on and it makes a buzzing noise. That usually gets rid of them, so she says. So I think that's about long enough. You hear that? That's my solar saying, your battery's going dead. See you later.